People of various communities residing in the state carries out public rally against atrocities by Assam Rifles and armed forces. And Andhra MLA Cum Minister Thanawajam Shyam Kumar appeals to relax 24-hour statewide total shutdown. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangchum bringing you the top stories. People of different communities residing in the state carried out a public rally today demanding withdrawal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act from the state and to put an end to the atrocities carried out by the Assam Rifles. Indigenous Women Forum Manipur organized a rally which kicked off from Wangkai Ngom Laikai's Wall Club and concluded at Thau Ground, Thangmaiban. Women's organizations of different communities and youths took part in the rally. Protesters chanted various slogans during the rally. A public meeting along with the leaders of civil society organizations will be held at Thau Ground after the rally.
January da IPS officer amabu moreda yamthina mabu IPS officer amani haina magi walawida dana mabu molest bikiba thaba ingang chudana leijaba moreda lalolitik tokjadana leibanupi amabu mokoina yamna diamond leibani thibani haibagi mingda magi hakjang thongna makhut mangna wotna laga adu maina thiba adu da natana lokchau da muk tanaraga moi marina amuksu mongonda wot khiba mayam ama section harassment tokiba mayam ama aikoi nupi singna nungaite aduna ngasi aikoi gi Manipur all Manipurgi nupi sing jati tongan ba jati khuding mana pullaga aikoi forum jina ngasi suma mayam ama nupi gi mayok ta chathariba or naiba mayam amadi Indian Army na chathariba sugumba thaudok mayam je khoi nungaite haibagi masi lepu lokthok piu aduga aikoi bu free ohen biu haibana chingba mayam ama aikoi gi issue mayam ama du aikoi dabi tawbo loina ngasi gi suma program je pangthok jaban.
President of Assam Rifles Ex-Servicemen Association Manipur El Tombi appealed people for their cooperation during their duty at border areas and other locations. He was speaking to media during a protest demonstration held at the office of the North Association in North AOC Sanjeevani today. Speaking further, Association President El Tombi said that Assam Rifles took up necessary measures along Imphal-Moray Road to check on transportation and intoxicants, armaments and many others. He appealed to follow the rules and regulations and urged those concerned not to defame Assam Rifles. El Tombi also mentioned that Assam Rifles are taking befitted roles in saving youths from intoxicants, drugs and maintaining peace of the state.
Akwai Assam Rifle na Manipur da duty tawba matamda international highway oi Burma Manipur road se Thailand bo phawdorini masida drugs arms ammunition non nationalist national mayam ama changai thingna bagi dangta akhoi yamna kanna duty tawdaba yade security point of view da akhoi na mayam du check to hogdragadi security lapse oigragadi mang dorisi kanagino akhoi praja mayam gine ba akhoi praja mayam gi mang bu dagi kanna bai damta akhoi ji border road ta security check ta leibane ba nanthongna bo honar ko matam da di mungna ba lae aduna khulai baina season raga badnam tawna bo honar ko dudi akhoi yaning de ba.
Andhra MLA Cum Minister Thanawajam Shyam Kumar appealed to relax a 24-hour statewide total shutdown called by the JAC formed against the murder of the girl from Yairipok to Lihal. It may be recalled that a girl from Yairipok was raped and her body was found at Mayang Imphal on January 28. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Minister's Quarter in Kanglapat today, Minister Shyam Kumar termed the incident as unfortunate. He assured to arrest those involved in the case and award legal actions. Minister Shyam Kumar asserted that the demands of the JAC will be fulfilled following conversation with Chief Minister Nongthombam Birae.
JAC na talak demand kutimagta maraming matik dandi piu hai bane maraming matik sab dandi indan penan ko ki matungina crimes against the women gi makhada ni na lipi da tamthina taropna sim na koi sibagi death sentence death penalty or life in prison adu di law court ki da oneman court na manan decide to jarani do loena JAC gi talak po demand sing adu oneman chief minister ga telephone wari sanara kanda koi mung manungi next to makin kana koi ama thab ama piu ha bado oneman chief minister halakanda tang manga dum phamina kanda tanara ga to ya bado koi yengena koi lepsare diki wena JAC na copy adok takte ko yandar me ko takte hangdok piro state sakana tamne ko dimakta tiumba phathaw ki toropa nupi sarba crime gi mayokta matuk ko lei ko dim le man tharo ha basi se government set pa.
Sejang Mairapaibi local club volunteers and people of the area carried out protest demonstration at Sejang Mayai Laikai Community Hall today against a bomb blast at Sejang Tera Makong Dam under Yangampo Police Station in Imphal East District yesterday. Speaking to media, Secretary of Sejang Mairapaibi, Haikrujam Indrabanu, appealed those concerned not to repeat such act which creates fear psychosis to people. She warned of intense agitations if not clarified regarding the incident within 3 days.
January tang kuntra ay kupunipan adwaida thohanning da thodok ma thokki bom pokhai ba gi thodok aduda akhoi yamna nungai taba aduga kanana karigidamakta asinumba bom pokhai ba gi thodok ase thohalibano kanana karigidamakta thodok ase thohalibano haiba asi akhoi numit humni gi manungda athuba matamda sengdokpirau karamba onaisanna tauribano haiba ase athuba matamda sengdokpirau haiba wafam asi thamjage.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit said that government jobs alone cannot solve the problem of unemployment. He asserted that industrialization will be of great help in resolving such issues. Minister Biswajit was speaking at the inauguration of one showroom named Eastern Sewing House at New Chekon yesterday. Speaking further, he asserted that many initiatives are underway to encourage entrepreneurs of the state. Well, on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on wood polymer composite WPC opening its center in Imphal. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Wood Polymer Composite WPC, a renowned company of India which produces luxurious wood products for household uses, opened its center in Imphal at Ghari Awang Laikai, Imphal West today. Spouse of Chief Minister N. Biren Nongthombam Ongbi Hiainu inaugurated a center which is the first of its kind in the whole Northeast. Speaking at the event, Managing Director of Liwa, Nongthombam repudiates that the WPC products are being produced with an aim to stop deforestation in the world. He added that the products will last aesthetically and integrally longer than normal wood.
Makan ki variety na semba yaba mayam se replace tawjari akhoi da kano sina WPC sina sigi kanaba ama haiba sida kanaba mayam sina 100% waterproof, 100% termite proof, 100% recyclable. Aduga at the same time asi ama koina u ama season na matamda phamung ama semge hamda u ama yandaba yade. Aduna akhoi da environment da koina akhoi gi ugi matra se sum handar e aduna for the next generation da koina akhoi message sama jo koina society da contribute to pami akoina u yanda bida ugi mahut sinba yaba wooden ju oiba wood ki aduga weather proof su oiba asina longer generation da tarogadi at the same time we are contributing to the society.
Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar launched a website for the Morning Bell newspaper, themorningbell.in, at New Delhi today. Prakash Javadekar wished the website to help in providing genuine news to the people. Publisher of Morning Bell, Laimayum Bashanta Sharma, also attended the website launch program. Two-day nation strike services of public sector banks commenced today. United Forum of Bank Union UFBU called a strike demanding to conclude wage revision settlement at the earliest. It may be recalled that the wage revision for employees of public sector banks is pending since November 2017. Following discussions with Indian Bank Association, IBA Bank Employees Union decided to go ahead with the All India Bank strike. More than 10 lakh employees are taking part in the strike. Kerala Health Minister K.K. Shailaja said that the patient infected with coronavirus in Kerala who was shifted from Thrissur General Hospital to the isolation ward of Thrissur Medical College is stable now. She was speaking during a high-level meeting held at Thrissur Medical College. Another person has been admitted to Thrissur General Hospital with symptoms of coronavirus. 15 persons are under surveillance in Kerala. The deadly virus has so far claimed 213 lives in China. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. People of various communities residing in the state carries out public rally against atrocities by Assam Rifles and armed forces. And Andhra MLA Minister Thaunatum Shyam Kumar appeals to relax a 24-hour statewide total shutdown.